how to send a message on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your TikTok application on your mobile device. After that, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok. For sending a message, you need to log into your account. For logging in, you need to simply tap on profile option on the right bottom corner. And from over here, you can log into your account. So in order to send a message to someone, you need to tap on inbox option, which is right next to the profile option in the bottom corner of the right hand side. From over here, you will be able to see your friends or the chat box of your friends. You have to select the person to whom you want to send the message. And from over here, you can simply tap on send a message option and you can type the message that you want to send. Before sending, you need to make sure that if the person has followed back to you or if the person is friend with you, then only you will be able to send the message. And after typing the message, you can go for send option with red button in the right hand side. And as the person has followed me, you can see the message has been sent. So by following this simple step, you can send a message on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.